Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is an introduction video on AI Club Future is here for doctors. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Al-Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. Who we are? We are vascular surgeon interested in AI technology and eager to transfer knowledge to all doctors. It's collaboration between Egyptian Vascular Club and the Pan-Arab Vascular Surgical Society. Very close collaboration in this AI club. Our vision is to foster a community of vascular surgeons who are at the forefront of AI innovation, driving advancement in patient care through ethical, responsible integration of AI technology into vascular surgical practice. And our mission is very simple, is for vascular surgeon in the AI club to empower vascular surgeon with the knowledge and the skills necessary to effectively leverage artificial intelligence in their practice. And I'm very eager to get vascular surgeon in the forefront of AI technology, which is very helpful. We have excellent, exquisite board member. Each one of them will take probably 1 hour to present his CV, but in very short introduction, but in very quick short term, Professor Munir Nazal, Head of Vascular Department in Toledo University, Professor Martin Marish, Head of Vascular Department in PDF Bahrain, Professor Murad Salam, Senior Consultant in Guy's and St. Thomas's Hospital, and we are proud to have with us two visionaries in the field of vascular surgery, Professor Jamal Habballah, Professor and Chairman of Department of Surgery at the American University of Beirut, and my dearest Professor Khalid Abdul-Al, Consultant Vascular and Endovascular Surgery and member of the French College of Vascular Surgery. Well, how you can be a member? Very easy. We are available on 5 social media, and I will give you the QR code of each one of them in order for you to join by scanning this QR code. Number 1, Telegram channel. This is a QR code. Number 2, YouTube channel. This is a QR code. On Facebook, this is a QR code. On WhatsApp, this is the QR code. And finally, on Midall, this is the QR code. And you always welcome to join us in this trip. It is totally free membership and you can put all your questions. We have a website, avc-egypt.com/ai.4.evc. We are going also to have a link in the Pan-Arab Vascular Surgical Society in the near future. What AI can really offer vascular surgeon? Let us be focused on what is the benefit that we will have that we did not have before. Well, AI can help you in getting better diagnosis of patient condition. You can send the CT angiogram to special gate in AI to get an AI reply. You can create a presentation using AI, improve your CV, looking for jobs, improve your research, convert a book into podcast that you can listen to during your drive. You can train your communication skills with an actor, a virtual actor. You can prepare yourself for MRCS examination with a lot of help of AI. You can also suggest the best practice algorithm for your particular patient. And with robotic, you can know when do you use robotic in vascular surgery and when you're going to affect our ultrasound practice. I wish you can join us for this trip to the unknown. I'm not sure in 2 or 3 years time AI what it will be capable of doing, capable of helping. So better start today to join the group of vascular surgeons interested in AI. Put your question, answer, and we can all learn together and get a benefit of this new technology. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon, and I wish you all the best.